Hey everybody, welcome to episode 12 of the Terms, Tips, and Tricks. My name is Chris Whitehurst. Each of these episodes I try to explore a term or a concept from the world of real estate that you may encounter during a real estate transaction and explain those in a way that I hope is easily understood. Today we're going to be talking about offers and counter offers. Once offers start getting thrown around, it can get a little confusing and unnerving for buyers and sellers. If you're buying or selling, it's important to have at least a little bit of an understanding of how this process works. And in today's episode, we're going to be imagining ourselves at a closing table. I, as the buyer, have written down my offer and I've slid it across the table to the sellers. The sellers are then going to look at that offer. They can accept the offer or they can make a counter offer. And by making a counter offer, I always explain it. We've taken up that piece of paper, we've balled it up and we've thrown it in the trash, and the sellers are now writing their offer and sliding it back. Remember that when you make a counter offer, the original offer has pretty much been null and voided and you can't go back to that balled up piece of paper. There may also sometimes be a verbal offer. Sometimes that's like a pre-negotiation tactic that the agents will use to make sure things get really ironed out. Remember, those verbal offers aren't worth the paper they're written on. Also remember that a written offer is a legal contract. The details are very important. Once it's written down, that is what we're agreeing on. So it's really important that everybody understands that. If you like these videos, there's more of them on my YouTube and my Facebook page. If you like what you see, be sure to follow me on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube and share these with your friends. More great content coming soon. I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.